So the next step now is to start cutting. I've already started laying out the patterns more or less. This is for the extra small. We'll do it a little bit different when we do the bulk, but this is now just for the first 6 that we are making. The sizes will differ. So, like I mentioned previously, the pattern that I'm using is are the Easy Stitch patterns. I think that is a South African company, and their sizes fit the South African market very well. So we're just going to cut now. So I can already see here, it's just more or less, but we need about, we're going to need about 800 millimeter for the extra small. So at the end of the day, when we work out, if we can say a meter for the extra small, then we can quickly work out how many. My initial estimate was about 60 meter, but maybe it will be less at the end of the day now. So we're just going to cut now, and then these ones don't get sleeves, so it's just a vest type of thing. It's a very nice thing for the winter. So there's no rush with this project. I just want to make sure that we're busy with the back panel here. There's no rush with this project. This fleece is a very nice fleece. So the idea is for now just to make the sample sizes and to make sure that we are happy at the end of the day with the sizes. And just to fill some of the time if it is quiet here at the studio. So yeah, so the pattern is an Easy Stitch pattern, and these vests will go very fast. Okay, so now I'm just going to complete the cutting, and then after this we'll do the next few steps.